All right, guys, welcome back. Time to take the wings out of the dehydrator. It is a little after 6:30, so it's been about 6 hours. So that should be plenty enough time. So let's take a look. Here they are. Looking good. They smell really good too. All right, so I'm just gonna take one right off of here for you guys and do a taste test. I'll get one. I don't know, which one do I want? Here we go. That's really good. Cool. So, yeah, we are going to enjoy these tonight. I hope you guys will end up making this, but remember, you gotta sign up for my newsletter. Use the description or the link in the description box below. I'm going to be sending out the newsletter probably tonight or tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, or no, maybe Wednesday. Today is Monday. So within the next couple days. So definitely go in there, sign up for the newsletter as soon as you can, so to make sure you don't miss out on this recipe. And until next time, guys, always follow your raw intuition.